So you might get this issue a lot of times that you downloaded a free model and then you check that it have a bunch of materials and a lot of textures, and then you notice that we don't actually need that. Most of the time we do it for optimization, like for games we actually need less materials and less textures to get more optimized. So today I have a solution for you that how you can convert a model that have a lot of material and textures into just simple one texture and one material. So it's a baking process and I will show you really step by step. So actually you guys can follow it easily. So now let's get started. Okay, so here we have a model which have a bunch of materials and textures. So it have these three texture materials and one is the single color material. So let me show you the textures. So actually it have this kind of textures, like the one is for the wing and the one is for this top thing and one is for the whole body. And now we would actually convert this whole thing into just single texture and single material. So let's get started. Okay, so the step one is we have to create another UV that have all the UV in one canvas. So let me show you how we can do that. So if we come up here to the object data properties and come up here in the UVs, so it normally it have one UV. So this model is having one UV, and but both of the all of the textures are mapped with another, all of the UV are mapped with another texture. So what we have to do now is to create another UV, and we would call this one a bag, simple. And now with selecting this one, as you can see, this one is selected but not the render icon. So the render icon should be this one. Just select the back one, go to the edit mode, select all, and what we have to do is to actually pack this thing. And we can use a pack add-on for it, but actually the default one also work, so don't have to worry about that. But make sure your model have a good UV, so this will work better. Otherwise it might have some issues. It's a free model from Sketchfab that I got, so it also have this kind of weird UV chunks, but I think these can be ignored, and yeah, this can work. Okay, so this was the step one. Now what we have to do is to come up here to the shading, select our first material, come up here to the node editing setup and shift A and add an image texture. So now what we are actually going to do is to actually bake all these textures and materials into one texture. So we would be creating that texture first. So we would create a blank image of black color. So make sure the resolution is about 2K so you get a good resolution, or your model is more detailed so you can actually make it like 4096. But I think for this one this would work, so don't need to go for really high resolution. So I would simply do this and let's add a name. So I would call it one texture. Okay, and just create that. So now we created a blank image of black color, and what we have to do is to right click and copy this node and make sure nothing else is selected, just you have selected this one. Now come up here in the second one, deselect everything, and then Control V to actually paste that thing, and make sure to just select it again to, like, this one should be the active selection, that's the whole purpose. And now come up here and Control V, paste it again, make this one active selection. This one is a black color. I think this is just for this place, it have these two things, don't know what's this, but yeah. So now Control V again and select this one. Okay, so the step 2 is done. So in the step 1 we actually make all the UV in one canvas, and we make sure that our UV isn't overlapping, otherwise it would create some problems. And the second step was to create an empty textures and put this texture node in all materials that we have. Now it's the third and final step, and that is come up here and to the render tab actually and make this one to cycle, cause EV do not support the backing, so we would make it cycle. And let's make this one to about GPU if you have a GPU. If not, you can just use your CPU. And now come up here and you would find this one back setting. Now what we have to do, it have all the options. You can convert actually all the things like you have if you have the normal map or ambient or any other else, but I just have the diffuse texture, the simple color one. So what I would do is I would click on diffuse and make sure to turn off the light, direct and indirect light. So what it happens is that if you make this one turn on, this will also back the scene lighting. So if you have some lighting there, that will be also backed on that. So we don't need that, we just need the texture to be in one canvas. So turn off these things and yeah, turn on this one, only the color one, and simply click on bake. Yeah, that's it. Now we would wait some time, depending. Oops. So we would wait some time depending on your PC specs and also the model resolution and how many textures and material that you have, and it's actually done. It was more faster than I expected, and yeah, so it generates this texture. And if I come up here, I can actually, first you have to do is to save this image. I would save this on my desktop, and now what I would do is that come up here to the sharing. Now come up here to the object data properties, delete the old UV now, and now this would be automatically selected. That we would get something weird like this, but don't worry, just come up here and remove all the materials, cause now we don't need the old materials. We have to add just a new material. This time I would rename it like single material. Okay, and what I would do is that I would add a texture node, and now connect this one to this one. Now let's open up the textures that we generated, and boom, yeah, we are done. We actually convert the four materials into four materials. Three was actually textures and one was actually a base color material. So we all converted that into simple this textures. So we can actually use that like this, and yeah, the result is fine. If you get any black dots by any chance, that means your UV is actually overlapped. So that can be the case. If you have any other issue regarding to this or anything that need to be clear, so you can just add a comment and I will definitely reply on that, because I read all the comments normally. So you can comment on that. Other than that, just hit a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.